Hop into the 2023 Toyota Highlander. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This smooth-riding, solidly built Highlander is ready to meet your family's needs. With seating for up to 8, a spacious, quiet cabin, plenty of cargo space, and the latest safety and driver assistance technology. This reliable and efficient crossover will help you navigate every adventure with ease. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Whether you need a spacious cargo hauler or a refined road trip cruiser, this Highlander is ready for the task. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make your experience easy and fun.